Welcome to the Seafood Festival.
Sunscreen?
It's wonderful to see all these people here enjoying our beautiful Outer Banks and this wonderful seafood festival. And it looks like everybody is having a good time. One of our features is that we have alligator bites, which are absolutely fantastic.
We're glad to be out here today participating with everyone, showcasing local seafood that's coming from our waters, getting to say hi to everybody, catch up with old friends. It's a really great event. Today we have bacon wrapped scallops, fried Asian shrimp. We also have crab dip, stuffed tater tots, and fried mac and cheese bites.
This is fun, it's exciting, it's something that helps us contribute back, but it also lets everybody know who we are and it gives them a little taste of what we have at home. We started with our banh mi salmon slider, and then we have our shrimp ceviche. We do our Peruvian style bread pudding along with our Mahi Chowder.
For us to be associated with the Seafood Festival is really great. It's a great opportunity for us to educate people not only about our facility and the work we do. It helps us to connect with local fishermen and the community to teach them about the local seafood and the opportunities that are here in the Outer Banks.
I've been with the Outer Banks Seafood Festival for 10 years, since its inception. I'm the stage manager and I hire all the bands, and my wife and I manage the stage together. And we all have one common goal, making sure that the Outer Banks Seafood Festival is the best that it can be, and that the money that we spend and the money that we generate for the Seafood Festival gets in the right place. Now, we're going to give back to the commercial fishermen. Everybody knows how hard it is for a commercial fisherman to make ends meet these days, and the regulations are just getting more and more. And so we decided that now's the time for us to put money into a foundation that can be distributed by the community foundation.
I think the best part is just getting to talk and interact with everyone, getting to be out here and kind of share a little bit of the local culture, local history with everybody.
Favorite part is intermingling with all the customers that come in. I love that one-on-one interaction.
It's part of being a neighbor. We aren't coming out here to make a payday. We don't make money. We are part of the community. I mean, it takes a lot of effort to be here and to do it right, and that's what we do.